So if I go ahead and create a product called product1 and I instantiate it, give it a name of product1, a price of 23.4M, and a is in stock, set it to true. What I can do is I can reach all the way into this product and muck around with his internals. And there is nothing stopping me. Or what am I doing? I should just do product1.display. So I am allowed to modify all of his data. And the reason I'm allowed to modify his data is because these are public fields. The Public Access Modifier is a way of describing the visibility of a member. Now, what's a member? Again, a member is anything that goes into a class. For example, these 3 fields are 3 members. This constructor is a member. This method is a member. And because all of these members are public, they're exposed. So I don't want name and is in stock to be publicly accessible. The reason I don't want that is because it'll allow me to do something like name equals null, or name equals not a valid product name, which in this program is not a valid product name. What I need to do is I need to make my members private. And we can do that by changing this public word into the private word.